How to change the strap on a Fortis watch. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to change your strap on your Fortis watch. First, you need a suitable spring bar tool. Put your watch upside down on a soft surface. Place the tool between the strap and the case and make a lever movement on the spring bar to release it. Now the strap can be removed. Now you do the same on the other side. A little tip: take the opportunity to clean your watch between the lugs before you fit the new strap. We show you how to clean your watch here. Remove the string bars from the old strap and insert them into the new one. Make sure that the part with the clasp is positioned at 12 o'clock, so that you can close the clasp as usual afterward. A little tip: to remember this, imagine that you hang the watch on the clasp. The watch should then be displayed the right way around. Position the strap with the spring bar on one side in the hole provided, and press the spring bar on the other side. Always check that everything is securely mounted. On the other side, you do exactly the same thing again. Bring the strap into position and press in the spring bar. That's it. Do you also have a technical question? Just ask us in the comments below. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.